Tell us about all of the amazing upgrades that we are in for as we walk through those glass doors behind you into our new office space.
So we've been working on this for several months, and we just want to give you a sneak peek, give you a little bit of insight to what we're doing. We've got more conference rooms, phone rooms, more space, more seats, and better views. We're on the 24th floor, and we can actually have almost a 360 view of North Dallas. And so it's pretty exciting. This is representative of the growth that we have at Saxony Partners. So come on in and let's take a look.
Well, we're moving on up to the east side, to a deluxe apartment in the sky. Moving on up to the east side. We finally got a piece of the pie.
This is our new main conference room, name to be determined.
The board room.
The board room, B-O-R-E-D. That's Dallas in the background. That's LBJ and the tollway. Everybody will know exactly where we are traffic-wise before they leave. And then across the way, we have a smaller conference room. This would be conference room Van der Esch equivalent. But nice whiteboards. Instead of having walls that are whiteboards, we will have actual whiteboards as whiteboards. This is, what is this?
Ton's office.
Ton's office. Bask in its glory. It's wall-to-wall carpeting. Its door. Its view of the weird half dome shaped thing out the back toward the Addison Airport. When you come out of Ton's suite, notice the nice flooring, by the way. Marble-esque flooring. We've got some laminate wood and then carpet in the offices. In here we have another small conference project room with a whiteboard. One of our phone booths. Step inside here. It's about 4 feet by 5 feet or so. Nice and private. Come in.
Are you on the phone?
No.
We have 4 of these now, so when people need to pop in, take a quick phone call, have some privacy, or if there are one person on a conference call, they don't have to take up an entire conference room.
You don't have to book Landry for your one-person call anymore. Not that anybody would do that.
No.
Here is the Privis suite. And the Jeff Wilson suite. Oh, seat of power. We exit the CEO suite and move into the sales and marketing space. So delineated here by the carpet. You are not in sales and marketing if you are here. You are in sales and marketing if you are here. That is the sales and marketing office. This is the Derek Thornhill Memorial Suite. It's also a seat of power, but not as much power. So moving out of the seats of power and the sales and marketing area, this is not fully built out just yet, but we will have probably members of the Paraview team as well as HR and people management and so forth out here. These metal dividers will have some reclaimed wood or something similar to that, some sort of distressed millennial vertical wood slat thing going on here. We will have a bookcase. Is that still the plan? Bookcase over here in this general area? For all of our many major awards. Our general space to commune with one another, forum,
Beer club
will be right here around this center island. There will be a couple of refrigerators here in that space. I said a couple of refrigerators. High rollers that we are. There will still be, here along this wall, some more communal space, seating, bar seating and so forth.
And then right here we'll have our Saxony shuffleboard table.
Saxony shuffleboard table. You thought we were getting rid of it. You hoped we were getting rid of it, but we're not. It's going right here.
And we have greatly improved and expanded Joe Hamilton's office for
Outstanding.
when he stops by.
This actually is the seat of power. Quite literally. Look at the acoustics in this room are fantastic. This is where David Waxman will practice before he has a recital. So there you go. That is a brief walking tour of our new space right here
Here it goes.
in building number 3.